Okay guys, sorry for the first video. I didn't realize I had to have the phone sideways to get widescreen. So we're about an hour into the mash. Temperature's been holding pretty well, right at about 156. So now what I do is test do my iodine test with just basic iodine tincture. Just give a little drop going on there. Take a look for any purple. It looks like it's pretty good. So once I see starch has been fully converted, what I will do on my system is I will come over to the tower power and I will increase the temperature. So we're trying to get it to about 168. Just give me this mash up temperature. So I'll put this to about 170. So you'll see fire started. There we go. And then what I also do is, since I do have two burners, I'll also get a little bit of get some heat underneath the mash. This is a single jet Bioclassic burner. This thing is a monster. This is the burner I've had the longest, and it burns at about 180 BTUs, 180,000, I'm sorry, BTUs, which blows away the Blickman burner. But the Blickman burner is easier to set up on the tower power. That's why I have that. If I could have two of these burners, I would totally have it, because it gets me up to a full boil at about 8 gallons of wort in maybe 10 minutes, which is unreal that I can get that much up that quick, especially in the cold temperatures. So now what I do, you'll see, here's the wort leaving, about 158 right now. So I want to get the wort up to, I want to get the mash up to about 168, get a mash out going so that way it's hotter and sugar can flow a little easier and prevent any stuck sparges. I do have some rice holes in this mash, so I shouldn't have too much. You'll see here, get the temperature up here. So the fire will burn on the water ton the whole time. Have it cranked up pretty high, as you can see from the flame. And then I'll have this one on as well. So what we'll do is we'll get this up. Once this reading comes in at about 168, I will then begin, I will switch the tubes around. What I'll do is basically take the out tube, run the mash tun, run that into my boil kettle, and then I will disconnect the coil. I'll put the coil coming from the water tun to the pump up to the sparge arm. And then that way, basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking the water straight out of here, which I already have treated with a little bit of lactic acid to bring the pH down a little bit. And then I will just sparge right through the sparge arm, just like I do with the recirculation. And I will keep the water level up about 2 inches above the grain bed, inch to 2 inches above the grain bed. And we will do that for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I will begin to boil.